Do you ever wake up feeling bloated, sluggish, or just struggling to get some good quality sleep, even though you're doing the absolute best for your health? While it's easy to blame these things for aging or stress, there is a simple and inexpensive tool that you might not have used before, and that's apple cider vinegar. Hi, I'm Sonia Hollis, a qualified nutritional therapist, and today we're going to be diving into the real science behind using apple cider vinegar before bed, including how it may support your digestion, blood sugar balance, sleep quality, and metabolic health. I'll break down exactly what apple cider vinegar is and also why the mother matters. We'll look at what happens inside your body when you take it hour after hour, and I'll show you how to use it safely and realistically to support your health goals. And before we dive in, make sure you remember to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you never miss any more of my science backed videos. Okay, so let's just get started. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting crushed apples. During fermentation, the sugars are converted into acetic acid. Now, this is the main active compound that is responsible for most of its health benefits, with cider vinegars containing approximately 5% of acetic acid. Good quality apple cider vinegar, especially the raw or unfiltered versions, contains the mother, a mix of beneficial bacteria and enzymes that support gut health. Apple cider vinegar also contains small amount of minerals like potassium and magnesium and a little malic acid, giving it its distinctive tang. Now, research included in a 2007 study, which was published in Diabetes Care, highlighted that vinegar ingested before bed can modestly reduce blood sugar levels in people with insulin resistance. Acetic acid seems to slow the digestion of starches and improve insulin sensitivity, meaning that your blood sugar levels rises more gradually after eating. By slowing gastric emptying, apple cider vinegar may help you to feel fuller for longer, leading to reduced cravings. A more stable blood sugar curve overnight also reduces the chances of nighttime hunger or snacking impulses. While apple cider vinegar isn't a probiotic powerhouse like yogurt or kefir, raw varieties contain small amounts of beneficial bacteria and pectin, which can gently support the gut microbiome. Some early studies suggest that regular vinegar consumption may help slightly lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. However, these effects are generally mild and should be viewed as part of an overall healthy lifestyle, not as a substitute for medical treatment. A 2009 study in Bioscience followed obese adults over a period of 12 weeks and found that those who consumed 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar daily experienced modest weight and visceral fat loss without changing their diet or exercise. But it's important to note that these changes were very modest, and apple cider vinegar alone is not a weight loss solution. It's a supportive tool, not a magic bullet. You may have seen some other videos detailing hour by hour timelines about drinking apple cider vinegar. Now, while it makes for an interesting narrative, there aren't currently any direct scientific studies mapping out the exact effects at each hour. However, based on what we know from studies on digestion, blood sugar regulation, and sleep physiology, here is a plausible outline of what may happen if you take apple cider vinegar before bed. So, 0 to 30 minutes. Drinking diluted apple cider vinegar may mildly increase stomach acid production, supporting the digestion of proteins. Some people notice reduced bloating or digestive discomfort after heavier meals. And gastric emptying may slow slightly, helping you feel fuller and reducing the temptation to snack before bed. So, after 1 to 2 hours, apple cider vinegar has been shown to help stabilize blood sugar levels. A more stable blood sugar may help to resist the nighttime blood sugar dips that can lead to disruptive sleep. So, 2 to 4 hours. As you move into deep sleep, your body naturally releases growth hormone, important for repair and metabolism. And this happens independently of apple cider vinegar, but stable blood sugar levels may support a more restful sleep phase. So, after 6 to 8 hours, upon waking, you may feel lighter and experience less bloating, mainly due to better digestion overnight. And some people notice fewer morning cravings and improved energy, likely tied to more stable blood sugar and a restful sleep. So, how do you take apple cider vinegar? It's always best to dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in at least 8 ounces of water, and use a straw to protect your teeth from acid erosion. Optional, you can add some lemon, cinnamon, or a few drops of stevia to help improve the taste. And other options, you can incorporate apple cider vinegar into salad dressings, marinate, or drizzle it over some cooked vegetables. Always make sure to dilute apple cider vinegar. Drinking it straight can erode enamel and irritate the throat. If you have reflux, ulcers, or sensitive digestion, then start very small. So, 1 teaspoon diluted in water, and just see how your body responds. And also consult your healthcare provider if you're on any medication or have any underlying health conditions. Apple cider vinegar is a supportive tool, not a cure all. So, results like improved digestion or feeling lighter come from reduced bloating, not from instant fat burning. Consistent healthy habits like balanced eating, movement, good sleep, and stress management will always be the foundation of true fat loss and health improvements. If you are on any medication for blood sugar control, potassium regulation, or blood pressure, please make sure that you consult your doctor or your healthcare provider before starting apple cider vinegar. So, does apple cider vinegar before bed work? In many cases, yes. It can gently support better digestion, blood sugar balance, sleep quality, and metabolic health when used thoughtfully. It's simple, inexpensive, and a wonderful addition to a healthy lifestyle, but it's not a replacement for the basics of good nutrition, movement, and rest. So, if you found this helpful, I'd love to hear from you. So, try adding apple cider vinegar before bed for a week and then just comment below about your experience. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos on this channel. So, that's it for now. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.